This is the Iron Trader, and it is Hump Day, which means it is crude oil day. Now, last night, the API report came out and very bullish. Crude oil had a draw of 6.8 million barrels. Gasoline had a draw of 6.4 million barrels, and distillates had a draw of 1.7 million barrels. Now, the EIA report today will be out here at 10:30. We'll see if it can confirm all that. Now, remember, you're going into Memorial weekend, a long weekend here. Should be slow here on Friday in trading. You're off on Monday, and OPEC has their meeting here on June 4th. So take all that in consideration here. It looks like crude oil is on the move here. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil daily chart. Now, I've been posting on these videos here to watch two key levels. This 21 SMA sitting out here at 72.40 and this 8 SMA sitting at 72.32. Now, look at this 8 SMA. You can see how it's curling up. Once it curls up, it'll push the price up just like what it did here. See how that is? Once it crosses, the price will rise right on up. So what we want to do on the upside, let's look at where it's going to go. All right, let's look right here. Okay, your 50 SMA. This is sitting at 74.45. Then we want to look here at your 100 SMA here. This is sitting at 75.97. Then we have a retest here at 77.93. And then your big target here is $80.19. That's your 200 SMA. Now, on the downside, you want to watch this key level here at 72.40. That's your 21. You want to watch 72.32. That's your 8-day. Now, again, if that is lost, then we look to yesterday's candle. Look to the bottom of the candle. Okay, 71.71. Then we want to look here to this candle here. This is sitting at 70.67. And then we look here. You're looking at 70.04. Okay, 69.41. 68.48, 67.95. Okay, so when you look at here, I've been pointing out, see how nice, if you go and take a line all the way across, how that's holding that nice key support. Now you're running into resistance. If you can close above this 58 SMA, then you have your 100, and then you can rally right on up. Now, if it pulls back a little bit, just watch for these two key levels, the 21 and the 8-day for key support. Let's take a look here on the old weekly and monthly. All right, here it is, the old weekly. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look to the same thing. The 21 SMA here is you're sitting at 75.91. Your 8 SMA here sitting at 75.67. Now, if this price can close above, you will turn this 8 SMA up over that 21 day. And then what is your target? 83.43. Now, on the downside, watch this key support here. KC retest, this is 67.13. And then if it goes lower than that, and you're right down here at 65.38, you have 64.36. And then your big retest here is 63.64. But this looks like a very nice bullish chart. The key is going to be a close above the 21 day and the 8 SMA. Now, on the monthly chart here, the key support level here is going to be this 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 72.71. That's going to be very key support. Because look at this monthly. See how all the candles here are below that 8 SMA. If it can close above this 8 SMA here, okay, you're looking at 78.70. Then your target here is 86.09. Okay, always watch this 50 SMA here. That's always going to be your key support level at 66.07. Now, I will have more for this on crude oil and natural gas here after the pick close at 2:30 at usual. Today might be a little bit earlier. We'll see this how everything rolls. So let's take a look here at natty gas. Okay, natty gas here. Big sideways pattern. Okay, we had the contract roll on Sunday. Where to go? Right into the 100 SMA. Boom. Okay, now been selling off. So far, we got 4 red candles. We'll see how everything finishes out today. So what you want to do on the upside is you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. Okay, so this is sitting at 2.42. If you can close above, then the target will be your 100 SMA, now sitting at 2.58, and then your retest here at 2.685. On the downside here, you want to watch this key 21 SMA here. Okay, sitting at 2.3. You want to watch this 8 SMA here. 50 SMA here, sitting at 2.24. Okay, those will be your key support levels. Then obviously, if it's gone, then we're going to go down to, you can retest at 2.03, and then your big retest here is 1.946. Basically, we just have a flat pattern here. Again, you need a catalyst. You need something to get this rolling here. We had a good little pop up, but you know when you have contract roll, it usually runs right up into it. And then when you look at the resistance levels, boom, that's your sell point. Now we've got to look for a buy point here. For me, I'm just doing the same thing, scalping BOIL for the long and KOLD for the short until we can get some kind of a direction where this pops out up here or slams all the way down. All right, thanks for watching.